Hello everyone, what's up? Today I'll be showing you how to download Fortnite on your Android phone. First things first, you have to access the website for Epic Games by opening any browser and going to store.epicgames.com or this website showing on my screen. Click on the Epic Games logo at the top left and choose Fortnite from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Play Now button and then select Download on Android. Once redirected, click on Download Anyway to start the download process for the Epic Games application. After downloading, open the app and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, log into your account. Now open the Epic Games application on your mobile device, choose Fortnite, and click on the Install button to initiate the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, and you now have Fortnite on your mobile device, specifically your Android phone. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.